This guide will help you disable certain graphics settings in Cyberpunk 2077 to improve performance or customize your gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Start Cyberpunk 2077 from your gaming platform or launcher. Wait for the game to load to the main menu. Step 2. Access the settings menu. From the main menu, navigate to the settings option. Click on it to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings that you can modify. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Scroll through the graphics options and look for settings you want to disable, such as motion blur, depth of field, or ray tracing. Click on each setting to toggle it off or adjust its level. Step 5. Save changes and exit. After making your desired adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. Return to the main menu and start your game to experience the new graphics settings. By following these steps, you can easily disable graphics settings in Cyberpunk 2077 to enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in Night City.